Hello guys, today we will show you how to install Kali Linux, and Assalamu alaikum to all the people from Pakistan. Let's go to the step 1. The step 1 is downloading the components. It is necessary to download the following components. First of all, open up your Google browser and then search for Kali Linux because we have to install Kali Linux. Now click on the first link. Now scroll down and click on download Kali Linux and download according to your RAM. For 64-bit you need at least more than 4 GB of RAM, and for the 32-bit you need less than 4 GB of RAM. Now you have to download VirtualBox. Now click on downloads, the first link. Now if you're Windows host, click on Windows host. If you're from OS X, download the OS X host. The download has started. I am not going to download the software because I have already downloaded and installed it. Now the most important step is to download the VirtualBox extension pack. Please click and download the extension pack because it is very important in the installation process of the Kali Linux in order to remove the install system error. Now click the link. The download should begin. After the download has completed, please install the extensions pack with the VirtualBox open. Now we will move on to our step 2, configuring VirtualBox. In this step, we will configure our VirtualBox. Open your VirtualBox and then click on New, and then click on Linux and select Debian 64 GB because I have downloaded the 64-bit ISO. Now you can type any name. I am typing Kali Linux 2. Now click Next. Now select 2 GB of RAM or 1 GB is necessary for this installation process. I am selecting 2 GB of RAM. Now click Next, Create, Next, Next, and select 20 GB and Create. Now click on Settings and we have to select few settings. These are important settings. Please do select the same checkboxes which I am going to select now. Now click System and uncheck the floppy. In the processor, select 2 processors. I have 4 processors. I am allocating 2 for my Kali Linux. Now click OK. Now again open Settings and open Storage. In the controller IDE optical disk, click the icon and locate your virtual Kali Linux download directory. Now select the Kali Linux ISO which you have downloaded from the Kali Linux website. Now click OK, or you can go to the audio. Please let it be default. Select the network adapter and select the USB 2.0. It is a very important step. You have to select USB 2.0 in order to fix the install system error, and it will not be available if you do not install the extension pack. Now we have done configuring. You can continue to see the installation process or can stop the video. Now we will continue installation. It will boot up and select the graphical install tab by your keyboard down arrow. Press enter and it will go into the installation of the Kali Linux 2. Now select your language. I'm selecting English. If you are a beginner, please note that select the language which I'm selecting and please select the settings which I'm going to use. Continue, and the United States. Continue. Now you can select American English for the keyboard. Just do it the default way I am doing. Now it will install the components and it will take some time. Now please select the default settings and just click continue. Select the root password whichever you want for your Kali Linux sign in, because you don't want to give the password of Kali Linux, right? Now configure your clock according to your area, your zone. If you're a beginner, please select the default settings used in the video. Now for partition disk, select the first option, click continue, and select the first option. Now continue and click on yes. Continue. Now it will partition disk and install the system. And if you have successfully configured the settings for the VirtualBox, it will install the Kali Linux. You have to install the extensions pack, because without the extension pack it will not install the Kali Linux on the VirtualBox. Now configure the package manager. Now click continue, and it will configure the package manager. Now it will take some time, but it will complete the installation as soon as possible. It is going to install a grub bootloader, which is necessary for booting up as a beginner, because we are not the advanced users and we need the grub bootloader if we're installing it for the first time. Now install the bootloader. Yes. Select the VBox hard disk. Click on continue. Now it will install the grub bootloader on your hard disk. Please make sure you select the VirtualBox hard disk. In this case, it will only have one VirtualBox hard disk. Now it is finishing the installation, and soon we will reach our desktop of Kali Linux 2.0. It will reboot, and please select the first Kali Linux. Now it will boot up into the Kali Linux desktop. It will take some time because it's the first time we are booting into the Kali Linux. Now for the username, type root or OOT root. Sorry, I forgot to click the VirtualBox. Now for the password, enter the password you have entered in the installation process of the Kali Linux 2.0. Now click sign in or just press enter. Now it will take you to Kali Linux desktop. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe for more videos, and we will upload soon Kali Linux tutorials for you guys who are eager to learn the Linux and who want to move into the IT for jobs and as a career opportunity. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.